Hi everyone, my name's Josh, the Florida Mortgage Dude. Today we're going to talk about renovation loans. Renovation loans are the perfect way to make property improvements or property repairs and wrap those costs directly into your loan amount. There are two main types of renovation loans that we'll cover today. We'll talk about the 203K loans and we'll talk about Homestyle Renovation loans. 203K loans are an FHA-based product and there are two subcategories. You have your 203K Limited and your 203K Standard. The 203K Limited are any repairs valued under $35,000, are considered non-structural, and if you're using 3 contractors or less. The 203K Standard loan are any repairs valued over $35,000, are considered structural, and the 203K Standard loans require a HUD Inspector. Both the Limited and Standard can only be used on a primary residence, and you cannot add a luxury item such as a pool or a sauna. However, you can make repairs to existing luxury items if they're already on the property. Now let's take a look at Homestyle Renovation loans. Homestyle Renovation loans are a conventional-based product that follow Fannie Mae guidelines. Project inspectors are required if the job is valued over $50,000 or if any of the work is considered structural. Borrowers can select up to 3 contractors. These loans can be done on a primary residence, second home, or investment property, and you can add luxury items. There are some similarities to both the 203K and Homestyle Renovation loans. Both loans offer 15 to 30-year terms. You can do a purchase or a refinance. DIY repair or improvements are not allowed. You can escrow your mortgage payments up to 6 months if you cannot occupy the property during construction. Renovation funds are held in an escrow account and paid to the contractor on a draw schedule. Also, any escrow account overage once construction is complete will be applied to the mortgage as a principal reduction. The process for applying for these loans are exactly the same as applying for an FHA or conventional loan. The main difference is the borrower now has to source bids for the work that is to be performed. Once we get those bids, we can send those to the lender, and the lender then sends those bids to the appraiser. When the appraiser appraises the property, they appraise it in a subject to manner, which means they give their opinion of value based on repairs that are to be made to the property. The appraisal report then comes back to the lender, and as long as those numbers work, they will issue their final clear to close. Another thing to note is that construction must begin within 30 days of closing, and it must not exceed 180 days from closing. Please let me know if you have any questions about renovation loans or about buying and selling your home.